Over 60? Drink these 3 teas to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Have your legs been feeling weak lately, like they just don't carry you the way they used to? Maybe you get tired faster or even feel unsteady on your feet. You're not alone. But here's the truth. It's not just aging. New research shows that certain natural teas can actually help rebuild leg strength, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and give your energy levels a serious boost, without pills or painful workouts. And the best part? They're simple, safe, and backed by science. In fact, one long-term study in Japan found that seniors who regularly drank green tea were far more likely to maintain muscle strength and balance as they aged. So today, we're sharing the top 3 teas for seniors to boost leg strength and energy. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also reveal one surprising tea ingredient you've probably never heard of, but it's been shown to supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue. But before we start, if you're new here and you care about staying strong and independent, please like this video, hit subscribe, and tap the bell. Your support helps us create more vital health tips for you. Let's dive in. 1. Ginger Turmeric Tea. If your legs feel heavy, sore, or tired after even light activity, ginger turmeric tea could be a game changer. Why it works? Ginger and turmeric are powerful natural anti-inflammatories. Together, they ease sore joints, stiffness, and muscle fatigue, the aches that often stop seniors from moving freely. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which help improve blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, so they feel alive and ready to move. Turmeric contains curcumin, which protects muscles from breaking down and supports faster recovery. If your knees pop or you feel sore after walking, curcumin helps calm that inflammation. Extra benefit. Unlike coffee, ginger offers a natural energy lift without jitters. It helps your body turn food into usable energy more efficiently, so you feel alert and motivated for daily activities. How to make it? Steep fresh ginger slices and 1 teaspoon turmeric in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption, and a little honey or lemon if you like. Drink it once a day, ideally in the morning. Within a couple of weeks, many people notice less stiffness and more energy. 2. Ginseng Green Tea. If you often feel drained, like your legs give out halfway through the day, this tea can help restore stamina. Why it works? Ginseng is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle stress and fatigue. Aging itself is a stress on muscles and joints, and ginseng eases that burden. Research shows ginseng improves muscle performance and endurance by helping your muscles use oxygen more efficiently. That means more stamina, less tiredness. Green tea adds powerful antioxidants that protect muscles and joints from wear and tear. It also provides a smooth energy boost without crashes, thanks to L-theanine, which sharpens focus while keeping you calm. Real-life proof. Studies show seniors who took ginseng regularly had stronger legs and less fatigue during daily activities. How to make it? Steep a green tea bag in hot water, not boiling, for 2 to 3 minutes. Add thin slices of ginseng root or 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Steep another 5 minutes. Sweeten lightly if desired. Drink daily for steady energy and improved mobility. Over time, many people find they can walk longer, climb stairs more easily, and feel sharper mentally. 3. Ashwagandha Root Tea. This adaptogenic herb does more than support your legs. It helps bring balance, calm, and strength back to your whole body. Why it works? Stress releases the hormone cortisol, which weakens muscles over time. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, lowering stress and allowing your body to rebuild strength. Clinical studies show seniors who took ashwagandha daily improved lower body strength, balance, and stamina in just a few weeks. It also supports nerve health, improving coordination and steadiness when walking. Bonus: Ashwagandha promotes deeper sleep, which is when your muscles actually repair themselves. Better rest equals stronger legs. How to make it? Simmer 1 teaspoon dried ashwagandha root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink warm. Add honey or cinnamon if you like. Drink it in the morning for steady energy, or at night to relax and support muscle recovery. Consistency is key. So there you have it, 3 powerful teas to rebuild leg strength and boost energy after 60. 1. Ginger turmeric tea reduces inflammation, improves circulation. 2. Ginseng green tea boosts stamina, protects muscles, lifts mental energy. 3. Ashwagandha root tea reduces stress, improves balance, and supports recovery. These aren't just warm drinks. They're daily tools to help you walk steadier, feel stronger, and move through life with more confidence. Remember, the secret is consistency. Just 1 cup a day, combined with gentle movement and a positive mindset, can make a big difference over time. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future health tips. Which tea are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. You truly deserve to feel strong again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.